What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from the Universal Orlando Resort for yet another Jurassic World VelociCoaster construction update. Hopefully there's been some progress. Let's go!
I don't either, so...
Well, we haven't talked about it in quite a while, but the rumored Universal Studio store has seen a lot of work. Panels are now up. Saws are going off. Lots of new metal. Panels all over the place, and possibly the front entrance right here, but lots of work. And one last view from the north side of the building here. Looking back down. Hello, Lighthouse. Yep, that's right. We're Islands of Adventure. Temperatures are somewhere in the low 60s. By the end of tonight, it's going to be in the 40s. It's a little bit busier out here, but I don't think it's too busy inside the park. We'll see. Ticket booth is a little bit busier. Turnstiles on the right are open and left. Lots of them, too. We'll go left side. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through temperature checks, security, or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. Alright, wait times, let's check them out. Park is open until 6. Hulk right now is at 40 minutes. Jurassic Park River Adventure is 15 minutes. Flight of the Hippogriff, 25 minutes. Spider-Man is 50. Kong was 55. So yeah, it's a little bit busier inside the park. We can see the Hogwarts Express was at 50 minutes also. Forbidden Journey, 90 minutes. Ouch. There it is, the Jurassic World VelociCoaster, and good news, I don't see any lifts or cranes in the air, but I do see some workers on top of the roof, which is a good sign. We'll see. We'll keep an eye out for testing. With this guy, always sitting on my sneech. this week, we see a lot of landscaping over here by the show building. Looks really nice. Now over here by the stall, oh no, work walls have been pushed up our direction, so we can't get a better view of the top hat just around the corner of the Discovery Center. But we believe this pathway, the bypass bridge area, could be opened very soon with all of the holiday crowds. We'll see. And it looks like we have some new poles going in. Hopefully that is for lighting and not for netting. Remember earlier how I said it was pretty busy at the park? Well, the line for Hagrid starts over here, and they're not accepting any more people in line, at least right now. When it's daytime, we like to check up on our VelociFishies, and here they are with the turtle friend. have it, our first test run for the day that we've seen. We've been here for about 3 hours. It's about 5:08. Looks like testing is starting now. Come on, construction ducks. Help me get a better view. Well, it's been well over an hour since we had any test runs. We do have crew members with flashlights walking the entire course, checking things out. Well, unfortunately, we didn't see any more test runs. Only 2 for the day. Kind of odd. Well, guys, that's going to do it for another video here from the Universal Orlando Resort for the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. Again, unfortunately, we only saw 2 test runs today. That's kind of weird. But we did see a bunch of new landscaping. The ride's looking great. And they are doing test runs, and we'll be back for more. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.